Belly fat isn't just about looks. The dangerous fat, known as visceral fat, wraps around your organs and can affect your health. Deep within your abdomen, there is a different, more dangerous type of fat. This fat is known as visceral fat. It wraps itself around your vital internal organs, your liver, pancreas, and intestines. While the subcutaneous fat just under your skin can be frustrating, it is visceral fat that poses a serious threat to your long-term health. Too much of it can lead to heart disease, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and certain types of cancer. But here's the good news. You are not powerless against it. With the right gym workouts and clean eating, you can reduce it naturally and build a stronger core at the same time. The solution is not a magic pill or a gimmick. It's a straightforward, science-backed approach. Work smarter, apply proven methods consistently, and you can reduce dangerous visceral fat. Let's get into it. This guide will show you what visceral fat is, how your core works, the best exercises, a simple routine, the nutrition that burns visceral fat, and how fast you can expect results. Visceral fat is a type of body fat stored deep inside your abdominal cavity. Think of it as internal packing material surrounding your major organs. This is fundamentally different from the fat you can pinch with your fingers, subcutaneous fat. A simple diagram comparing visceral and subcutaneous fat shows why experts are most concerned about visceral fat. Its proximity to your organs means it is metabolically active. It's not just passive storage. It produces and releases substances, often called inflammatory cytokines, that promote low-grade chronic inflammation throughout your body. This persistent inflammation can damage your arteries and disrupt normal cell function, paving the way for disease. Visceral fat also releases proteins that interfere with insulin action. Insulin resistance, a direct precursor to type 2 diabetes. Inflammatory compounds contribute to plaque buildup, a narrowing of blood vessels that raises blood pressure and heart attack or stroke risk. It can impair liver function, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. In essence, visceral fat acts like a toxic organ, compromising your health from the inside out. The encouraging news: visceral fat is highly responsive to lifestyle changes. Because of its rich blood supply, it can be mobilized for energy more readily than stubborn subcutaneous fat. Every effective workout and clean meal is a direct investment in shrinking this dangerous fat and lowering disease risk. When most people think of their abs, they picture the rectus abdominis, the six-pack, but it's only one part of a much more complex system. Your core is a three-dimensional group of muscles wrapping your entire torso, your central stabilizer and powerhouse. A strong core underpins almost every movement you make, in the gym and in daily life. Beyond the six-pack, your obliques, internal and external, help you bend and twist your torso. They create a tapered look and drive rotational strength for throws, swings, and punches. They also protect your spine during complex movements. The deepest core muscle, the transverse abdominis, acts like a natural corset, a weightlifting belt for your body. It wraps your abdomen, holds organs in place, and stabilizes your spine and pelvis. You can't see it, but you feel it when you brace. A strong transverse abdominis helps prevent lower back pain and improves posture. Core muscles work as a synergistic unit, transferring energy efficiently across the body. They stabilize your spine, improve balance, and reduce injury risk. So train all functions: flexion like a crunch, rotation like a twist, and stabilization like a plank. Forget hundreds of easy crunches. Choose exercises that challenge your core against resistance. Perform with deliberate control and perfect form. Quality trumps quantity. 1. Hanging leg raises, the king of lower ab exercises. Hang from a bar. Keep legs straight if you can. Or bend knees as a beginner. Use your abs to lift without swinging. Aim for at least hip level, higher if able, and lower slowly under control. 2. Cable crunches, great for progressive overload of the rectus abdominis. Keep hips still. Pull your torso down with your abs, squeeze at the bottom for a full second. Don't pull with your arms. 3. Ab wheel rollouts, brutally effective and inexpensive. Brace and keep a neutral spine. Roll out as far as you can without sagging, maintain tension, then use your abs and lats to return. 4. Planks, simple but powerful for deep core endurance and spinal stability. Brace hard, squeeze glutes and quads. Avoid hip sag or pike. Hold steady and breathe. 5. Russian twists, excellent for obliques. Lean back, keep spine straight. Elevate feet to progress, or keep heels down for stability. Hold a weight in front of your chest. Rotate your shoulders and chest, not just your arms, with deliberate control. Feel your obliques contract on every twist. Control the movement from start to finish. Having a list of exercises is one thing. Putting them into an effective workout is another. Perform this plan 3 to 4 times per week, at the end of strength workouts or on a separate day. Warm up 5 to 8 minutes with light cardio. Raise temperature, get blood flowing, prep muscles and joints. Perform the following exercises in a circuit. 1 set each, back-to-back equals 1 round. After all 4, rest 60-90 seconds, then begin the next round. Complete 3 total rounds. This format keeps intensity high, is time efficient, boosts calorie burn, and challenges endurance. Here's the structure. Hanging leg raises 10 to 15 reps. Cable crunches 12-15 reps. Plank 30-60 seconds. Russian twists 20 total. If leg raises are too difficult, perform hanging knee raises instead. Choose a cable weight that challenges you with good form. During the plank, focus on perfect form and maximal core tension. For Russian twists, complete 10 twists per side. Control each rotation. After 3 rounds, cool down 5 minutes. Stretch your abs, hip flexors, and lower back. And that's the routine. Focus on intensity and quality. Done consistently, it builds serious core strength and endurance. One of the most persistent myths in fitness is spot reduction. The idea you can burn fat from a specific area by exercising it. Many perform hundreds of crunches, sit-ups, and side bends, hoping to melt belly fat. The body doesn't work that way. Fat loss occurs systemically. You can't choose where fat burns from. To lose fat anywhere, you must create a sustained calorie deficit. Consistently consume fewer calories than you burn. Your body taps fat stores across your body in an order largely determined by genetics. That's why you need a comprehensive plan. Full body strength training and regular cardiovascular exercise. Compound lifts build lean muscle, raising your resting metabolic rate so you burn more all day. Cardio, whether HIIT or steady state, directly burns calories and helps create the deficit. Combine strength, cardio, and proper diet, and your body must use stored fat, including visceral fat. Then your ab training reveals the strong muscles beneath as the fat layer shrinks. Exercise is a powerful catalyst, but for losing visceral fat, nutrition is king. Build a modest, sustainable calorie deficit. Mind your energy intake without starving. Prioritize high-quality lean protein at every meal. Protein preserves lean mass in a deficit, has the highest thermic effect, and keeps you fuller longer. Choose nutrient-dense carbs, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa. Fiber aids digestion, helps control blood sugar, and increases fullness. Healthy fats support hormones and overall health, and boost satiety. Hydration is essential. Drink water throughout the day, including before, during, and after workouts. Combine a slight deficit with protein, fiber, healthy fats, and proper hydration to create the ideal environment for burning visceral fat. Together with training, your body shifts toward using stored fat for energy. You'll feel better, perform better, and steadily reduce the fat that matters most. Stay consistent with these fundamentals, and your results will follow. Make healthy choices your default. Stock your kitchen for success, and remove constant temptations. Your food environment plays a massive role in adherence. Eat more. Lean proteins, chicken, turkey, fish, especially salmon, eggs, lean beef, Greek yogurt, and plant proteins like tofu, tempeh, lentils, and beans. Load up on fibrous vegetables, broccoli, spinach, kale, bell peppers, cauliflower, leafy greens. Choose whole grains like oatmeal, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. Include healthy fats: avocado, nuts, seeds, and high-quality olive oil. Avoid sugary drinks, soda, sweetened juices, energy drinks, and dessert-like coffee drinks. Minimize processed and fast foods. Refined carbs like white bread and pasta, sugary cereals, and excess alcohol. Start small. Replace soda with sparkling water, switch to whole wheat bread, and pack a healthy lunch. Each small change builds momentum. Over time, these adjustments compound into a dramatically healthier pattern that reduces visceral fat. One of the most common questions: how fast will I see results? Quick fixes are hyped, but lasting change takes time and consistency. Within weeks, you can feel more energy, sleep better, and notice clothes fitting looser. Weeks 1-2, better energy and sleep. Weeks 4-6, looser fit. Weeks 8-12, visible changes. Month 6+, significant transformation. Track with photos, waist measurements, and clothing fit, not just the scale. Rate of fat loss depends on your starting point, age, genetics, and most importantly, consistency. A safe, sustainable pace is about 1 to 2 pounds per week. Extreme measures backfire. Remember, reducing visceral fat improves internal health: blood pressure, insulin sensitivity, inflammation. Celebrate small wins: adding weight to lifts, hitting protein goals, stacking days. Consistency beats short-term intensity. Excess visceral fat is a clear and present danger, but it's a danger you can overcome. The path to a leaner, stronger midsection is simple, not mysterious. You don't need expensive supplements or bizarre restrictive diets. Apply fundamentals consistently: a structured exercise plan and a sensible whole foods-based diet. Train your core with purpose. Hanging leg raises, ab wheel rollouts, build real strength and stability. Integrate core work into full body strength training and cardiovascular exercise. This three-pronged attack taps fat stores for fuel. Control nutrition. Prioritize lean protein. Fill your plate with vegetables, choose carbs wisely, and drink plenty of water. Eliminate sugary drinks and highly processed foods, non-negotiable. Success comes down to discipline and consistency. Show up and make the healthy choice, even when it's not easy. Be patient. Small daily habits compound into big changes. You have the knowledge and the plan. Now, execute. Take control of your health. Commit to the work. Build the stronger, leaner, more resilient body you deserve. If you're ready to take control of your health, hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness, health, and lifestyle content.